Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Quick video here. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a poll on WhatsApp. Alright, first thing you need to do here is to make sure that you update your WhatsApp to the latest version. You can do that by just easily go to your Play Store or respective App Store. Alright, look for WhatsApp and then make sure that you update the app from here. If there's no update option, you're good to go. Now go back to the WhatsApp app. In here, you're going to want to open up a chat where there are multiple people. And then you're going to want to go to this attachment button right here at the bottom right. Tap on that and then head over to poll. In here, you're going to want to ask some question, for example, which is better, iPhone or Android? All right. You're going to want to add some answers right here. For example, answer number 1 is Android. Answer number 2 is iPhone. You can add multiple answers as you like. Just make sure that the slider right here, allow multiple answers, is toggled. All right. If you only want two answers, just go ahead and turn off the slider and then just hit on send. All right. And as you can see here, it is now added, which is better, iPhone or Android. And here are the list of answers. And you and your mates will be able to select one. All right. For example, this one, Android. You have voted for Android, or you can change it to iPhone. It is up to you. You can also see the overall votes right here below. When you tap on that, you'll be able to see who answered using iPhone and who answered selecting Android. And that's basically it. I hope this video helps some. Please don't forget to share this video to your friends. And if you find this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.